Hello everybody, I'm super excited today. I finally got my Berkey water filter and I'm gonna go ahead and unpack it and show you what it looks like right out of the package. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. Looks like did a good job packing. This package has a little bit of damage on it, but not too bad. So let's see. So I went ahead and bought my Berkey from Berkley.com. You could also buy the same set on Amazon, but it was just a little bit easier for me to buy on Berkley.com, and they also had free shipping. So this came with 2 fluoride filters on top of regular filters. So this is fluoride and arsenic reduction elements. So 2 filters, and I know you have to run water through them for a while before you use them. There is instructions there. So those are the fluoride filters. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Single wall glass tumbler. Let's see. Oh, when I got this set, they were offering an additional free gift, and I went with this cute metal cups. You can also do a simple water bottle, but I have a lot, so I got those. Packaging instructions here, okay, and the filter itself, the Berkey. I got Big Berkey. All right, that's heavy. Okay, I am super excited. Here's my Big Berkey. This is 2.25 gallons. It's good for a family of 3 or 4. Perfect size for me. All right, let's see what it looks like inside. So this is just my first impression and unpacking. Later on, I will be doing more in-depth review. Perfect. So let's see, it packed really well. Okay, so it comes with several things, obviously. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna unpack and show you what it has inside. So it's got this. Oh, it's so shiny. It's actually quite good looking, I would say. I'll figure out how to put it all together later. For now, I just wanted to show you what the package comes with and how it looks like right out of the box. Okay, so this is I forgot what it's called. What's that? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to spend an evening tonight putting it all together. Here's some parts. I was very excited about this. I did some research, and it looks like Berkey is one of the best rated filters. And the fact that those are the 2 regular filters that filter out tons of impurities. I think it's one of the better filters in the market, and it's definitely affordable. It's a gravity filter, so it will run water through using gravity. Super easy to install. You don't have to. It's very good for those who rent apartments, because you don't want to install a whole water purifying system if you're going to move. That's one of the advantages of gravity filter. Plus, you can use it as portable filter for your emergency water supply. This is great. This is supposed to filter out pretty much any water. Like I like to joke, it probably filters out just a regular puddle of water. So here's instructions. All the elements. And I know that fluoride, not a lot of filters can actually filter out fluoride. You have to have specific filters. And that's probably the major reason why I got this model specifically and this brand, because it offered fluoride filtration on top of regular filtration. And unfortunately, water in my home has fluoride in it, and I'm trying to avoid it. So this is the first top part. This is the second portion. I believe this should be the bottom. Yes, this is the bottom. It's very nice and shiny inside. It has this nice logo. Okay, so I figured probably this goes like that with filters inside and everything. It's not a very large, I anticipated a little bit larger size, but this actually will work great for my countertop. So it's not going to take too much of space, but this is supposed to give you pretty good supply of water for cooking and all your cooking and drinking needs for family up to 3 or 4 people. So like I said, I will be doing an in-depth review, but again, this came with a Berkey, Big Berkey, 2 regular filters, and Big Berkey, 2 regular filters, 2 fluoride filters, and a free gift set of little cups. Okay, this is what it looks like from top to bottom. In the description, I included a link to this product, so you can go ahead and check it out. This is what it came with. I'm super excited to try it out, and I will do a more in-depth review on the specs of this filter, as well as what it looks like when it all put together.